How to see if someone blocked you on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to figure out if someone has basically blocked you on Instagram, all you have to do is you can open up the Instagram app. Now there are a couple of factors that could be leading to this and you cannot come to conclusions directly right away. Sometimes you can know a person blocked you by simply searching for their username. When you search for their username, it doesn't pop up. The other time is if you just come to the DMs page and then you were talking to a person normally, but this time when you try to talk to them, then you will not be able to send them a message. It simply said user not found, or you cannot send a message as such. But again, this could also mean that the other person has deleted their account or deactivated their account, or maybe Instagram disabled their account and removed their account from the Instagram database. We cannot come to conclusions right away, but I have a perfect solution that will definitely let you know whether or not that person has blocked you, and this solution is working 100%. That is that you need to have two accounts. One is the normal account, the other is a normal fake account that you might have. It could be any of the other account that the person that you're trying to find out blocked you doesn't actually know exists. After this, you can simply actually search for their name over here. When you search for the name, if their name does pop up in the other account but it doesn't pop up in the main account in which you're searching, then it means that this account could have actually been blocked. Because think about it, it is showing up in the other account, why is it not showing up in yours? Unfortunately, this is one of the best ways to find out. Instagram will not notify anyone if they've blocked them, but this is one of the ways that I personally use whether or not you have been blocked on Instagram as well. So this is one of the indirect ways to figure out how you can find out if someone has blocked you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.